Hello, cycling enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the features of the CXWXC Bike Repair Stand, a must-have for any bike maintenance setup. This stand is crafted from whole aluminum alloy, making it both lightweight and resistant to corrosion, and it can support bikes up to 60 pounds. The 360-degree rotatable clamp with a lever ensures your bike stays super steady, while the height-adjustable body allows you to work comfortably without straining your waist. The included tool tray is a game-changer, featuring customized slots for different tools and a magnet to keep screws and nuts securely in place. To prevent any unwanted movement, a length-adjustable Titan rod keeps the front wheel from swiveling as you work. The super steady triangle base, equipped with rubber feet, ensures the stand remains stable and won't scratch your floors. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this repair stand is designed to make your bike maintenance tasks easier and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.